Hi students, due to some unavoidable reason, I could not continue my YouTube classes. After 20 days, I am starting again. I have from today ISC specimen question papers, which is short type of question, 2 marks question is there. Now, sum number 1, A is given as a matrix, find the value this equals to 0. First we have to find A square. What is A square? A square is this into this, 2 minus 3, 3, 4 into 2 minus 3, 3, 4. Multiply row with column, 4 minus 9, 4 minus 9, minus 6, minus 12, minus 6, minus 12, 6 plus 12, 6 plus 12, minus 9 plus 16, minus 9 plus 16 equals to minus 5, minus 18, 18 plus 7. Minus 5 minus 18, 18 plus 7. Here is A square. Now, A square means this, minus 5 minus 18 LHS. 18 and 7, this is A square. Then minus 6A, minus 6 into this, that is 12 minus 18, 6 into this, 18, 24 plus 17I. I means 1001, that is 17, 0, 17. This is A square minus 16A plus 17I. There's a minus 5 minus 12 is minus 17 plus 17. Minus 18, 18 minus 18, 0 plus 0. Then minus 18 plus 18, 0 plus 0. Then 7 plus 8, 25. 7 minus 18. 7 minus 18, 24. This now 7 minus 24. 7 minus 24. 7 minus 24 is 17. Minus 17 plus 17. That is 0 plus 0. That is 0, 0, 0, 0. His answer is coming 0. Now, value of this therefore root. Next, sum number 2. Sum number 2 here, find the equation of a straight line passing through the intersection of this and this. Here, line, question number 2, passing through the intersection of this and this. Two line is x minus 7y plus 5 plus lambda into 3x plus y minus 7, where lambda is constant. But lambda is constant. Now this is the joint, the line passing through the intersection of two lines given, two lines this and this is the line which passing through the two in line of intersection of this and this. Now let us do x 1 plus 3 lambda plus y lambda minus 7 plus 5 minus 7 lambda equals to 0. That is this into x, this y. This is the equation. Now we know the equation of a straight line, which is this line is parallels to y axis. Any line parallels to y axis is x equals to k. Its y coordinate should be 0. So line parallels to y axis is x equals to k. That then y equals to 0. Put y equals to 0. Y coordinate 0. A line parallels to y axis is x equals to k. Y coordinate 0. Now this should be 0. That is lambda minus 7 equals to 0. Then lambda equals to 7. Put the value of lambda here. Therefore, equation of required line is x minus 7y plus 5 plus 7 into 3x plus y minus 7 equals 0. After simplify, we will get the equation. That is 20x, 21 plus 22x. That is 3y. 20x, this is y. 3x plus 7y minus 7y. That is 22x. 22x, that is 7 0, it is 5 minus 49, that is minus 44 equals 0. Then x equals to 2, which is the line equation which this line is parallels to this line. This is the line power equation of the line which is intersection of the given two line, and this line is parallels to y axis because y axis equation x equals to k. That is the equation of the line parallels to y axis. Now let's do sum number 3. Here sum number 3, y equals to x square plus x log x. Differentiate this with respect to x. This is the differentiate this with respect to x. Let y equals to x square plus x to the power log x. Now first of all you think let z equals to x to the power log x, then dz by dx. And now z is this, then taking log, it is power, log z equals to log of x to the power log x. That is log z equals to log of this, means power should come again, that is log x into log x. Then 1 by z dz by dx, log x derivative 1 by z dz by dx. Then uv, that is log x into 1 by x plus 1 by x into log x, that is 2 log x by x. Then dz by dx equals to, z is coming here, it is 2. Z means x to the power log x into log x square by x. That is the dz by dx. This is the differentiation of this. Now differentiate this dy by dx. X's derivative is 2x and derivative of this we got log x square into x to the power log x over x. That is the differentiation of this expression with respect to x. We can do this one with short, that is a into a square, that is log x a whole square you can write. then 1 by z dz by dx equals to 2 log x. Power will come again into log x derivative 1 by x. Then dz by dx is z is log x to the power log x into 2 log x by x, which is this. 2 log x means x to log x square is this. Now let's do sum number 4. Here, sum number 4, question number 4, integration 2x plus 1 square root of x square plus 4x plus 3 dx. So here 2x is derivative, x is 2x plus 4. You have to write here I equals 2x plus 4 minus 3, like this. 2x plus 4 minus 3. Now splitting this, integration 2x plus 4 by root over of x square plus 4x plus 3 minus integration, this is dx, integral 3 is outside, 1 by root over of x square plus 4x plus 4 plus minus 1. You can write this dx. Now put x square plus 4x plus 3 equals to z square, because it is square root. That's why to write z square. Now differentiating 2x plus 4 dx equals to 2z dz. Now substitute equals to, this is 2x plus 4 dx is dz. Now 2z dz by over, this is z square means only z. Z cancel, minus 3, this is 1, this is x plus 2 whole square, root over of x plus 2 whole square minus 1 square, square root of this, x square minus a square formula. This is 2 z, dz integration is z, minus 3, integration of this is 3, integration 1 by root over of x square minus a square is log x plus root over of x square minus a square. Log x plus root over x square minus a square. So x square is a square. That is minus 3 log x means this is x. X plus 2 plus root over of x square means x plus 2 whole square minus 1, and instead of z we can write z is root over of x square plus 4x plus 3, that is the plus c, that is the integration of given expression. Next, sum number 5. Sum number 5. Find the equation of the tangent, question number 5. Find the equation of tangent and normal to the hyperbola hyperbola 25x square minus 9y square equals to 90 at point minus 2, 3. You know hyperbola. This is hyperbola. You have to, this is the tangent and this is the normal. You have to find tangent and normal. You know equation of tangent, y minus y1 m into x minus x1. So we have to differentiate this equation, that is 25 2x minus 18y dy by dx equals 0. Differentiating both sides, we have to get dy by dx, which is gradient. Now 18y dy by dx equals to 50x. then y dy by dx equals to 15 by 18y, that is dy by dx, 15x by 18y. Now this is the, which is, you know, gradient m equals to dy by dx. Now dy by dx at the point -2, 3, put it here, 50 into -2, 18 into 3, that is -50 by 27. That is the equation of, that is the gradient of this curve. Now equation of tangent y minus, this is the point y1, 3 equals to m is -50 by 27 x plus 2. After simplify, we will get the equation of tangent, that is 27y (81) equals to -50 x minus 100. That is 50x plus 27y plus 19 equals to 0. That is the equation of tangent. If you want to find equation of normal, similarly, equation of normal, y minus y1 is -1 by m x minus x1, that is y minus y1 minus, and here is minus plus, that is 27 by 50 x minus x1. Then equation of the normal, that is 50y minus 150 equals to 27x plus 54, that is 27x minus 50y plus 204 equals to 0. That is the equation of normal, which is, this is the equation of normal, this is the equation of tangent. Now do next sum number 6. Sum number 6, question number 6. I roll a pair of dice. Sum of number find the pair. I roll a pair of dice. Sum of numbers on the top of these dice, on the top of these dice, find the probability that the sum is at least 10. What do you mean by at least 10? At least 10, कम से कम 10. That should be 10, 11, 12. That will be sum of the number. A pair of die, if we throw, suppose 2 die is thrown, it is total sample space is 36, because 2 dice is thrown, total sample space is 36, and this is total outcome, and favorable outcome if it is 10, it may be 5, 5, 6, 4, 4, 6. Sum is 10, and when 11, 5, 6, 6, 5, 11, 5, 6, 6, 5, and when 12, 6, 6. So here total 10. Total is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is, suppose this is total sample space. PA, probability of sum of the number at least 10 is favorable outcome is 6. Suppose this is A and this is S. Cardinal number of S is 36 and cardinal number of A is 6. The probability of A means favorable outcome, that is 6 by 36, that is 1 by 6, that is the final answer. Next, sum number 7. Question number 7. Express 2 minus square root of minus 25, 1 minus square root of minus 16 in x plus iy form. Here we know square root of minus 1 is I. So minus square root of minus 25 we can write square root of 25 into square root of minus 1. That is 5i. We can write this. Then 2 minus 5i, this is 1 minus 4i. 2 minus 5i, 1 minus 4i. Now rationalizing this, 2 minus 5i, 1 plus 4i, 1 minus 4i, 1 plus 4i. Now multiply. 2 plus 8i minus 5i minus 20i square. You know I square is minus 1, squaring, over 1 minus 16i square. That is 2 plus 3i, 8i minus 5i, plus 20 by 17. That is 22 plus 3i by 17. That is 22 by 17 plus 3 by 17i, which is x plus iy form. X plus iy form, where x equals to 22 by 17 and y is 3 by 17. Next, sum number 8. These all are short type question, 2 marker each. Now question number 8. Here is it is a differential equation sum dy by dx equals to e to the power 3x minus 2y, e to the power 3x minus 2y plus x square e to the power minus 2y. This is differential equation sum. We can write e to the power 3x by e to the power 2y indices plus x square by e to the power 2y indices. Now e to the power 2y is LCM. E to the power 3x plus x square and 2y coming, it is dy by dx, 2y coming left, e to the power 2y dy equal e to the power 3x plus x square into dx. Now integrating both sides. E to the power 2x integration, e to the power 2y, e to the power 2y by 2 equals to e to the power 3x by 3, x square integration is x cube by 3 plus c, where c is arbitrary constant. C is constant. So this is the differential equation. We can write 2 coming here. That is the differential equation of the given expression. Okay, now please have a note of the sums, and if you like my videos, subscribe. Okay, thank you.